Hello, my dear students. Once again, I, Deepa Moitra, welcome you all. Children, today I will teach you English. And today's topic is opposites. Do you know what are opposites? Don't know? Okay, let's learn about opposite words. Opposites are word pairs that are related but totally different in meaning. This means opposites are different. They are not the same. Opposite words वे वर्ड्स होते हैं बच्चों जो एक दूसरे से सेम नहीं होते, एक जैसे नहीं होते। एक दूसरे के उल्टे शब्दों को हम विलोम शब्द यानी कि opposite words कहते हैं। Now we will learn opposite words from your English book. Work on language. All of you open chapter 29 opposites. Opposites means बच्चों विलोम शब्द, yes, या फिर उल्टे शब्द भी आप कह सकते हैं। Let's read and understand. Now see, many pictures are given here and according to these pictures we will understand what are opposite words. Okay? See, one picture is given here. This picture is of tree. On this tree, a bird is sitting. A bird is sitting on this tree here. See? So, for this bird, we will use up. UP, up. Because that bird is sitting on the tree. Just here, now see, look at the ground. Squirrel is sitting there. Near this tree only. That bird is sitting on the tree and this squirrel is sitting near this tree down at the ground. So here it is written D-O-W-N, down. Up, down. Understood? Now see children, one rope is tied with these two trees. Understood? This is tied with these two trees and on this rope we can see one towel is wet and one towel is dry. See, water is dripping from this towel and this towel seems dry. Means this towel is wet. Wet means गीला, भीगा हुआ, ठीक है? And this towel is dry, सूखा। भीगे शब्द का उल्टा शब्द सूखा हुआ, ठीक है? So like that, this towel is wet and this towel is dry. Now see, near this tree, one cage is hanged over there. Understood children? And in this cage, one parrot is sitting. See? So this parrot is inside the cage. Understood? And this parrot flew away from the cage. This parrot is outside the cage. Understood? Inside, outside. Now see children, here are two boys. One boy is fat, F-A-T, fat. Fat माने मोटा. One boy is thin, T-H-I-N, thin. Thin माने पतला. One man is rich, R-I-C-H, rich. One man is poor, P-O-O-R, poor. He is rich man, Amir. Rich माने Amir. He is a poor man. Poor माने गरीब. Rich, poor. Now, this rich man's shoes are clean, C-L-E-A-N, clean. Clean माने साफ. This poor man's shoes are dirty, D-I-R-T-Y, dirty. Dirty माने गंदा. Clean, dirty. Okay? Now, see here children. One picture is of toy. This is a toy, teddy bear. And this is soft, S-O-F-T, soft. Soft means naram. This is a stone. Stone means pathar. And this is hard, H-A-R-D, hard. Soft, hard. Hard means kada. Soft means naram. Hard means kada. Understood? Now see here what is given. A picture of a rabbit. It is big. B-I-G, big. Big means bada. Small means chota. Okay children, like this you will read all these opposite words. All of you open page number 59. On this page you will get an exercise named pencil flow. Look at the pictures and write the opposites for the given words. Some words are given here, and with those words pictures are also given. Okay, by understanding the word and that picture, we have to write the opposite word of that particular word in front of that word. The first picture is a towel which is wet. Now in front of wet we will write the opposite of this word is dry. D R Y, dry. Now rich, R-I-C-H, rich man he is. Okay, this man is poor, so we will write this spelling P-O-O-R, poor. Fat, what is the opposite of fat? Yes, thin. You all will write like this, T-H-I-N, thin. Now see, this bird is inside the cage and this bird is outside of the cage. Understood? So we will write the spelling of outside here. O. Firstly you will make O, then you will write U-T, out. S-I-D-E, side, outside. Next question is match the opposite words. Children, we have to see these words and these pictures also, then we will match the words. Okay, see, here is a picture of cup, and in this cup there is hot tea. H-O-T, hot. What is the opposite of hot? Yes, cold. C-O-L-D, cold. Ice is cold. So we will match this word like this. Understood? Now two stairs are here. Two pictures of stairs are given here. This arrow indicates upside of the stair and this arrow indicates downside of the stair. So we will match this word UP, up, with this word DOWN, down. Understood? Picture of a stone which is hard, HARD, hard. Picture of a toy which is soft. So match it with soft. Hard, soft. Next, this shirt is clean. C-L-E-A-N, clean. And this shirt is dirty. D-I-R-T-Y, dirty. So match these words like this. Understood, children? Now tell me, when does the sun shine? Yes, the sun shines in the daytime. Good. And when do you see the moon and the stars? Yes, we see the moon and the stars at night. So what will be the opposite of day? Yes, the opposite of day is night. What is the spelling of night? N-I-G-H-T, night. Like this, you will complete this exercise very nicely. Children, after writing date and CW, all of you mention heading, which is opposite words. This is O, okay? This is capital cursive O. Now after that, double P O S I T E, opposite. Then put one finger gap here and write the spelling of words. W O R D S, words. Okay children, opposite words. Let's start writing words. First word is big. And from which line you will write these words, children? You will write these words from this line only. All the words will be written here. B-I-G, big. Make a cross. The opposite word of this word is small. S-M-A-L-L, small. Understood? Next word is wet. W-E-T, wet. Make a cross. Opposite word is dry. D-R-Y. Okay. Next word is rich. R-I-C-H, rich. Understood? This word's opposite word is poor. And what is the spelling of poor? P-O-O-R, poor. Okay. Now we will write spelling of gum. This is the word. Now guess what is the opposite of this word? Yes, the opposite of this word is go. G-O, go. Next word is, after writing this word, next word is hard. H-A-R-D, hard. Make a cross and then write this word's opposite word, which is soft. S-O-F-T, soft. Understood children? Now next word is up. U-P, up. Again make a cross and write here the opposite word of up. D-O-W-N, down. Understood? Okay. Now after this we will write next word, which is near. N-E-A-R, near. Understood children? The opposite word of this word is far. F-A-R, far. Okay. Now we will write the spelling of clean. C-L-E-A-N, clean. Make a cross here. And the opposite word of clean is dirty. Yes. D-I-R-T-Y, dirty. Okay. Put a dot here on the I. Dirty. H-O-T, hot. Make a cross. And the opposite word of hot is C-O-L-D, cold. Last is fat. F-A-T, fat. F-A-T, fat. Opposite word of this word is thin. T-H-I-N, thin. Okay children, after completing these words very nicely and neatly in your copy, you will learn all these words. Understood? You have to learn all these opposite words. For that, we will have a revision. Okay? Let's revise with me. First of all, you will write date, then heading, then CW, and then you will start your work from this line. Understood? Let's revise this. big, small, wet, dry, rich, poor, come, go, hard, soft, up, down, near, far, clean, dirty, hot, cold, fat, thin. Once again, big, small, wet, dry, rich, poor, come, go, hard, soft, up, down, near, far, clean, dirty, hot, cold, fat, thin. Like this, after completing all these words, you will learn like this.